How to save document from WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're here, navigate to the specific chat that contains the PDF document you wish to save. Find the PDF file within the conversation. Press and hold on the message bubble containing the document. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap on Forward. On the forwarding screen, tap on the share icon, which is located in the bottom right corner. This action will open the share sheet, displaying various options. Here, find and tap on Save to Files. You can now choose a specific folder to save the file in. Once you've selected a location, tap the Save button at the top right corner. The PDF file is now successfully saved to your chosen folder within the Files app. Following these steps, you can easily save a document from WhatsApp on an iPhone.